To install the new XAR pin, we need to first remove the original damaged pin. To do this, we're going to start by removing the bonnet handle bracket. We will need this part later, so keep it safely to one side. Next, we're going to take a flathead screwdriver to remove the locking pin. This pin can be removed easily by inserting the flathead screwdriver between it and the mechanism and twisting. Once loosened, the locking pin can now be removed by hand. This part is also required for reinstallation, so keep it safe for later. We now want to remove the original or damaged pin. Now insert the new XAR pin. Ensure that you insert the pin in the correct orientation so it lines up with the bonnet release handle. Make sure the pin is firmly placed back into the bonnet release handle. Next, take the original locking pin and push it back into place to secure the new XAR pin in place. Finally, take the bracket handle and place it back onto the mechanism. This step will require some force, so press firmly until you hear a click and see the pin snap into place. Once the pin is situated, test the handle to make sure it's functional. The repair is now complete. This pin is available for left and right hand drive vehicles.